I'm Anu. It is so great to see you all here again for this wonderful month of September. There is so much I want to share with you, but first I must add the excitement is building. There is so much going on here right now with my wonderful team across the board who are preparing for what will be an outstanding convention. I look forward to being there with so many of you. So if you do see me, be sure to come by and do say hello, okay? So back to September. This month is what many would say is the last month of the summer. And there's so many wonderful products on our PV promotion to help get you through that I'm going to get started and start at 120 PV this month. So at 120, we have Cedarwood Essential Oil. This is a well-documented oil used across many times and generations. This oil has an earthy aroma that promotes a soothing and grounding feeling. In fact, the Egyptians used this for embalming the dead, and the Native Americans traditionally used it to enhance their spiritual communication. So, try cedarwood this month and surround yourself with this warming, relaxing scent for an atmosphere of mental clarity and focus, or when you may feel you need a calming for the spirit and easing of any nervous tension, this is your go-to oil. Young Living V6 is an absolute staple if you love and use any of our oils, and you get this at 190 PV. There are 7 different vegetable oils in V6. First, you have fractionated coconut oil, which is easily absorbed into the skin. It's both odorless, colorless, and easily washes out of fabrics. You also have organic sesame seed oil. Now, this is an oil which contains minerals, amino acids, vitamins, and vegetable proteins. You also have grapeseed. Grapeseed is rich in bioflavonoids and is considered an antioxidant. You also have sweet almond oil, which is high in vitamin D and very soothing to the skin. There's also wheat germ oil. Now, wheat germ oil is rich in vitamin B and E and is also an antioxidant and has been best known to soothe skin. Sunflower seed oil is also in this, and it contains a natural vitamin E and also an antioxidant. Last but not least, you have organic olive oil, which is again another antioxidant type of oil. So these are all very nourishing vegetable oils and can be used to dilute essential oils or create custom blends. And of course, not to forget massage oils. So you can create your custom massage oils, or if you've already applied an oil to your skin and you may feel some sensitivity, our V6 is a wonderful oil to apply directly to help ease that sensitivity. So give that a go this month of September. Also at 190 PV, you will receive Lemon Myrtle Essential Oil. Now, Lemon Myrtle is actually commonly known as the queen of lemon herbs. This essential oil comes from a plant in the myrtle family rather than a citrus fruit. Native to Australia, it is also known as the sweet verbena tree or the sweet verbena myrtle. Lemon Myrtle Essential Oil has a very robust lemon scent. It's way stronger than any lemon essential oil and is thought to be the highest natural source of the key constituent citral. That is why this is a fantastic scent to surround yourself with when you want a feeling of purified air. Its fruity and lemony aroma is very uplifting and refreshing. How else can you use this? Well, you can apply it topically to soothe the skin, reduce the appearance of blemishes, or you might want to combine it perhaps with something like orange or clarisage or geranium and create a really beautiful custom-made fragrance. It will have a very sunny aroma and will really encourage a bright outlook on life. At 250 PV, we have Dragon Time Bath and Shower Gel. Now, this is, again, as I always love to say, made with plant-based ingredients. It's very, very gentle. It's got a calming aroma and will really help leave your skin feeling clean and soft. There are no parabens, no synthetic colors or fragrances. It's just such a stunning product. It's been infused with Young Living's exclusive Dragon Time Essential Oil. And this is a blend of lavender, ylang ylang, geranium, clarisage, and other pure essential oils, which gives this shower gel a sweet, herbaceous aroma to really help promote feelings of stability and calm. It is actually really great for women to use during their monthly cycle, where you might find this particularly comforting. If you haven't tried Copier Essential Oil, you will get a chance to do so with this next one at 250 PV this month. Copier is a wonderful essential oil that has traditionally been used by indigenous tribes for various purposes throughout the Amazon region since at least the 16th century. It's actually harvested in a very similar way to how maple syrup is collected. It's actually taken right from the tree through a pipe that's drilled into the trunk of the Copier tree, which is native to Brazil. Its sweet, balsamic aroma is mentally uplifting and relaxing, and it's just a great scent to surround yourself with when you're working on perhaps releasing any emotional wounds that no longer serve us. For those who want to try and combat some stress at work or home, this is a wonderful oil to use. The aroma really helps promote feelings of security and grounding that will perhaps try and help you project forwards, not backwards. And yeah, it's just also great to use in skincare products if you want doing massages. However you choose to use it, you will love this woodsy and warm aroma. I love this next product, and I'm so excited that we have this month at 350 PV. It's one of my favorite skincare products. It is, of course, Bloom Whitening Essence. This is a product that will infuse moisture into your skin. Its formula supports your skin's barrier function, leaving it refreshed and radiant looking. It was actually developed to address uneven skin tone that's lost its natural radiance. So this is a product that can help support brighter and more luminous looking skin. A powerful ingredient in this formula is pili pulp oil, which is sourced directly from the Happy Pili Tree Farm and Distillery in the Philippines. It is cultivated and crafted according to Young Living Sea to Seal quality commitment. Native to Southeast Asia, pili pulp oil offers major moisturizing benefits for the skin. I know your skin will love this product, and you'll be ordering it for many more moons to come. So give this product a really good try this month. Another all-time favorite of mine at 350 this month is Motivation Essential Oil. Now, I keep this oil wherever I may sit down and do my work. So my desk, my living room table, wherever it is. Motivation Essential Oil is just a wonderful combination of Roman chamomile, black spruce, ylang ylang, lavender. It brings a haven of enlivening scents direct to you in this beautiful little bottle. It is a great go-to scent when you need an atmosphere that stimulates feelings of action and accomplishment, or if you need some positive energy to help overcome feelings of any fear or procrastination. It's really simple to use. If you want to inhale directly from the bottle, you can use it on your skin directly, or you could pump some into a spray bottle with water and just lightly spritz it into your hair or your body for a delightful pick-me-up. Last but not least, at 450 PV this month, we have a trio of delightful items. We have this gorgeous diffuser pen for you to use, or perhaps give to someone you may know who's going back to work after the long summer break. It's so easy to use. It comes with 2 wicks, one of which is already included in the pen. And you just need 1 or 2 drops of oil on it for a very beautiful long-lasting scent for whichever oil you choose to use. In fact, what's great is you can use it with the oil we have at 450 PV this month, which is Common Sense Essential Oil. Now, this is a beautiful blend. It's really got a nice combination of frankincense, ylang ylang, ocotea, goldenrod, rue, dorado azul, and lime. There are 7 essential oils here that create a very sweet floral aroma with a really beautiful hint of soothing spice. It's my favorite aroma for anything that I need to help be more present, or if I need to make some more good decisions for my heart and my mind. It's just a really good go-to oil. You can use it, if you don't want to use it in your pen, as a personal fragrance. And last but not least, the last of the 450 PV items is this really dreamy essential oil bottle holder, a must-have for any oil lover. It's made from oak wood. It's got a cute crescent shape. It holds 5 ml bottles of oil, and it just makes it easy for you to reach to your favorite essential oils whenever you need a breath of late night calm or early morning zing. And that's it from me. I really hope you enjoyed this clip. And if you did, please be sure to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel right here. Goodbye for now. Until next time, I will see you in October.